What's up, everybody? I'm King, and Angela is not here this time because I am about to propose to her. Some of you think that we are married or have been married, but the fact is we've been dating for a little over a year, and I'm trying to make this woman mine. Follow along with me as I put this together. I am on my way doing a little research because I'm trying to make sure that we have the perfect night. I decided my top 3 hotels in the Atlanta area would be the Candler Hotel, Waldorf Astoria, Buckhead, or the Ritz-Carlton, downtown Atlanta. So as a part of my research, I had to go in and check out the place, make sure things were on point. Checking out the room, the setup, make sure it's something that would be cozy, nice, gym. You know, we got to get that workout in, so making sure that we had everything that we need to make it a fantastic stay. Now on to dinner plans. Okay, so I'm back home. I'm about 50% done with my planning. And I don't like the way this helicopter ride thing is coming. They want to do something lame, like put a banner down, and I don't want somebody to see something before I have the opportunity to say it myself. So I think that's kind of lame, kind of whack. So I'm gonna wait for this guy to call me and check out what his options are. How can we make it more of an element of surprise? Or I may have to pivot my plan. Getting this workout in, doing my warm up. I just coordinated something with a friend to throw off one of Angela's appointments. That's gonna interfere with my plans. In that conversation, this person said, well, I hope it all goes well. And I said, oh, it's gonna go well, it's gonna be fantastic. But it made me think to myself, what if this woman says, no, King, I will not marry you? What would you do if you propose and the person told you no? Is the big day. I am on my way home and my baby is trying on a dress or clothes right now because I tried to get her to get a white dress or something in her collection that she did not have right now. So she's gonna send me some pictures. Let y'all know how that goes. All these reminders on my phone. Don't forget, you got dinner reservation planned with us. Don't forget about the tour that you have coming up. I'm excited about it myself. Zero jitters, zero level of nervousness. Let's do this. So it's all coming together. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm ready to rock.
It gaze in the distance?
Yeah.
Okay.
It gaze off into the distance and then I'll come back and I'll be in the back, like acting like I'm flying or something.
Oh, okay. All right.
It would be something like that.
Give me your best Vogue. Let me see.
My best what?
Your best Vogue.
Vogue?
Pose. Give me your pose.
Oh, a pose.
Can you make me the happiest alive?
Babe. Oh my god.
I see your little way.
We had dinner at Ray's in the city. She had scallops. I had crab cakes. This dessert was so on point. Lemon, blueberry mixture. Amazing. The hostess and the bartender kept the drinks coming after they found out that we had just got engaged.
Called to good fortune. So your fortune's gonna be well.
Like a dog sled team. If you ain't the lead dog, the scenery never changes.
And I took my baby down a little mini tour around downtown Atlanta, Centennial Olympic Park area. This woman says she's about to roll down the hill. She's like, this hill is interesting. I'm about to roll down. Now, she's still going. How do you feel?
The world is spinning. Woo! Where am I?
You're down a hill. Poopy.
If I rolled in it. Poop on my sweater.
You probably have dog poop on your sweater. Let me see. Oh, you got it on your shoulder blade.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Ah!
After that, we went back, got a workout, and called it a day. Stay tuned. We're going to make a reaction video coming up soon. You kept messing it up.
How did I mess it up?
I'll tell you all about it. I was supposed to do 2-3 trips ago.
Oh, really?